I'm in love. Yes, get into this. QVR. Y'all did it again. Yeah, look at this. I'm cute. I'm cute.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am 𝐂𝐿𝐿. Welcome. If not, thank you for tuning back in. I appreciate you. Fall is here, and the Girlies said ginger is one of the colors for the season, so we're going to install these really cute ginger ombre spring twists. Let's get into it. The hair I am using for this install is from QVR Hair. It's their 𝐂𝐃𝐃 bulk in color 3T1B/350 in 24 inches. I received 5 bundles and a complimentary crochet latch hook. As always, I wash the hair before installation. I have a scalp condition, so this step is a must. I mix apple cider vinegar and a capful of shampoo in hot water and let the hair soak in that solution for 20 minutes. After rinsing it out, I add a capful of conditioner. I also add a little bit of the Giovanni Smooth as Silk Deeper Moisture Conditioner for the coils. First, I mix it in a bit of hot water to dilute the conditioner. Then I fill the rest of the bucket with cool water and I let the hair soak in that solution for 5 minutes. Then I rinse the hair out in cool water. To part my hair, I decided to part all of the sections on my head first. I braided the base of each section, passing the strands about 12 to 13 times, and I leave the ends. And I followed this parting and braiding technique all over my head. I use 2 strands of the hair for each twist. To make sure the twists are fluffy, I lightly stretch each strand. I hold the strand in the middle and pinch the hair as I run my fingers to the ends on each side. I place the strands on top of each other, making sure the grooves in the curls are aligned, and I leave them slightly uneven so the ends of the twists can taper naturally. I use a crochet latch hook to install the hair. I pull 1/2 of the hair all the way through. Then I begin braiding my hair with each side of the spring twist hair. I pass the strands about 12 times. Once I get past the braid in my natural hair, I separate the rest of my hair in 2. I add a bit more braiding gel to my fingers and begin twisting. Now I have a very detailed step-by-step spring twist tutorial on my channel where I explain and show you how to achieve a flawless and fluffy Afro spring twist. So if you really want to know the secret behind a flawless and fluffy Afro spring twist, feel free to check that video out. Pro tip: if you notice that the twist is coming out crooked and it starts to unravel when you release it, simply undo the twist and retwist in the opposite direction.
I'm about halfway through the hair. I have roughly 2.5 bundles left out of the 5 bundles, and this is as far as I've gotten. It's looking pretty good so far.
To set the style, I am using the Camille Rose Mint Condition Style and Set Foam. It's a very lightweight foam. It's perfect for setting the hair without being too heavy on the hair or causing too much product buildup.
All right, and here is the final look. I have about half a bundle left, so there should be enough twists in here. Whether you have a smaller sized head like me or a larger sized head, you will have enough twists for a full head. I like it though. I do like the color. It's very different. I don't think I have tried a ginger color before. The hair is very soft. The hair is very easy to work with. It's very nice to twist. It's not rough. It's very soft. The base of the hair blends very well with my natural hair. And it's not tied at all. I can put this up if I wanted to. In total, I have 99 sections, so I have 99 twists in my head. I wish I would have made my parts a little smaller, so I could have put more twists in this to give me a bit more of a voluminous look. Although this density yet and still gives me a very natural density. If I were to do twists on my natural hair, it would probably be the same density as well. I decided not to dip the twist in hot water. This is human hair, so I didn't really feel the need to dip it and then risk frizzing out my hair. QVR, they always have the good hair with great color options. I feel like their colors definitely complements brown skin. Shout out to QVR hair. Check them out for all of your human extension hair needs. This is their 𝐂𝐃𝐃 bulk. It's an afro spring twist hair, and it's in the color 3T1B/350. 350 is a nice ginger color, perfect for the fall. You know, the girlies are bringing back ginger. Perfect long-term protective style. If you really don't want to mess with your hair too much, try it. The link to this hair is down below in the description box, so check it out for more information. If you like this hairstyle, please like this video. Don't forget to comment and please subscribe before you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. God bless. Get into this color. Like, I just love their colors. QVR hair, their colors, I just feel like they always go so nicely with brown skin. And I was a little nervous at first. I have never done ginger before. How is this gonna look on me? And it looks pretty good. I think it's gonna take a little while for me to get used to it because I've never seen myself with this color before, but I can get with this.